calling all hot rod and muscle car enthusiasts. Our 21-circuit wiring harness is the ultimate upgrade for Chevy, Ford, and Mopar vehicles. With 17 fuses, 21 circuits, and extra long 17 to 20 feet wires, it powers everything from horns and headlights to power windows and AC. Why this harness is a must-have. Plug and play. No cutting or splicing, just connect and rev. Durable build. Flame-retardant ABS and copper wires resist heat and chemicals. Universal fit. Works for hot rods, rat rods, and classic Chrysler models. As a #1 Alibaba supplier with 4.9 ratings, we guarantee 100% testing before shipment. Our factory in Guangdong has 245 staff and 8 production lines, so whether you need 20 or 10,000 harnesses, we've got you covered, ready to transform your vehicle's electrical system. Request a sample or get a custom quote. Don't forget to follow us for more automotive wiring tips and exclusive offers.